We're finally in. We've got our new space here in Moorabbin, and I thought I'd just give you a quick tour. I'm so excited about this new property. So we're here in Moorabbin. We've moved from Cheltenham, which if you know Melbourne, we're sort of down near Brighton, St Kilda, that area. We just moved to a new space and I couldn't be more excited. Let me show you around. So we're still doing some renovation work, so you'll have to bear with us for now, but we've literally come from a building that was essentially a warehouse at the back of somebody else's warehouse where we decked it out. It was great, but you know, we've well and truly come to a place in our company's life that, you know, we needed to grow. We've got people working here, we've got things going on. We wanted to put in our training center. So let me show you around. So this space, for a start, we've got space for lunch, space for boardroom meetings. Now everything is currently on order at the moment, so don't mind the chairs, don't mind the bits and pieces, but we've got training areas, boardroom areas, places for sales training to happen. We just finished painting downstairs. We've done one room so far. This room, you can't even see it because it's got no lights, but it's getting ready for painting. All the lights are out. But this is our main office floor down here. We went for a cubicle kind of bay idea. This has been really good because in the last office we were in, we didn't have any of these cubicles. So again, mind the chairs, mind the bits and pieces, but we didn't have anything like this. So everybody was kind of on top of each other and working on top of each other. It was a little bit tricky. So it's been really nice to come to a space where we can get everything properly set up, get everything working the way we want it to work. It's beautiful. We've added some copper features here, B-press fittings. Thought added a nice touch. And out here is going to be our training facility, our podcast studios, a bunch of things going on at the moment that are coming up, but we built these training modules, so the guys are just finishing off on these at the moment. So we've got a full training center out here. We've got spots for people to work on hot water units, taps, sinks. These are all fully functioning. We've got showers, spindles, everything. We've even put some of these points in really annoying places just to give it that real feel. We've got some tools on the way. Some of our new trucks are arriving today. And out here we've got some workbenches. This is going to be for pipe patching training and alike. So I thought I'd just give you a quick update. I'll send another video once we've gone a little bit further, but see you guys soon.